What if I told you that you could see the entire world, visit the most insane places you've only dreamed of, and do it all without emptying your bank account? It sounds crazy, right? Like something only a millionaire could do. Well, today I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to give you 10 genius hacks that will let you travel more and spend way less money. We're talking about adventures that are bigger, better, cheaper than anything you've ever imagined. And by the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate blueprint to do the same. Make sure you watch until the very end. The last tip could literally save your life. Let's do this. Alright, first up, throw your super detailed minute-by-minute itinerary in the trash. I'm serious. Planning every single second is the fastest way to spend a ton of money and miss out on the best stuff. You have zero flexibility. What happens when locals invite you to a hidden waterfall not in your guidebook? Sorry, I have a museum tour at 2:15 p.m. That's insane. The secret is a flexible plan. Know the main city or region, maybe book your first night. But that's it. Jump on last-minute deals. Or hear about a local festival and just go. Spontaneity is more fun and cheaper. Think of it like an open-world game. Main quest, your destination, side quests, the real adventure you discover. When you're not locked in, you can pick what's cheapest and most interesting. A $5 bus could be the highlight. So the challenge, plan less, experience more. Book your flight, maybe your first night. Keep a list, talk to people, be open. Trust me on this. If you want to cut your travel costs in half, travel during the off-season. Peak season sends flights, hotels, food through the roof. It's a total rip-off. Go in May or October. Suddenly everything is different. That $800 flight becomes $400. A $150 hotel becomes $75. Sometimes with free breakfast. Crowds are gone. You get world-class spots to yourself. Same magic, fraction of the price. Before you book, Google peak and off-season. Plan shoulder, right before or after peak, for best weather and low prices. This can literally double the length of your trip for the same money. It's that powerful. Think smarter than the average tourist. Let others pay the premium. You'll enjoy the same views, in peace, with more money in your pocket. The average tourist spends more on short-distance transport, taxis, Ubers, than they realize. That is absolutely insane. You're burning money to move a few miles. We're stopping that now. Move like locals. Embrace slow public transportation. It's cheaper and a real adventure. The same ride for $2 instead of $50? Take the bus. It might take 20 minutes longer, maybe next to a chicken, but you just saved $48. Overnight trains and buses are your new best friend. Transport plus accommodation, and you wake up in a new city. Shared taxis and collectivos are cheap set routes. Hitchhiking can be incredible where it's safe. Use your judgment. Your feet, local buses, trains, and shared rides are your ticket to saving a fortune, and to stories no taxi rider will ever have. Accommodation. People think they need a fancy hotel, and spend $100, $200, even $300 a night. That's crazy. Your room is for sleep and storage. You're here to explore. Your new best friends, hostels, homestays, and guest houses. For as little as $5 to $20 a night, you get a bed, plus the best place to meet travelers, swap tips, and find adventures. Kitchens save money and hostels often organize cheap tours or socials, homestays, guest houses, private rooms for a fraction of hotel prices. With deep cultural immersion and the best local advice, camp for free or small fees where legal. Consider couchsurfing, a cultural exchange that costs nothing. Stop thinking like a tourist. A bed is a bed. Pick what saves money and gives the best story. Choose hostels, homestays, guest houses, camping, and couchsurfing to slash costs and level up your experience. Airlines nickel and dime with baggage fees. Some pay more for luggage than the flight. Not you. The goal is to travel with only a carry-on. You don't need 8 pairs of shoes. Pack versatile, layerable neutrals that mix and match. A few t-shirts, 1 or 2 long sleeves, 1 versatile pant, 1 pair of shorts, 1 waterproof warm jacket. That's it, secret weapon. A solid soap bar, for body, shampoo, shaving, even washing clothes in the sink. No leaks, less bulk. Wash as you go. No need to pack 14 days of outfits. Packing light saves fees and gives freedom. More mobile, flexible, and less of a target. Lay out what you think you need, then put half back. You won't regret it. Tourists waste money in main squares. Overpriced, mediocre, inauthentic. Walk away from the drag. Look for tiny spots with no English menu, and a line of locals. That's your green light. Don't speak the language, just point. It's part of the adventure. Local markets are the cultural heart and in your cheapest, tastiest eats. Fresh fruit for pennies, hot local dishes for $1 or $2. Stay where you can cook. Shop markets, make breakfast, pack lunch, save a fortune. Eating like a local saves money. And it's one of the best ways to experience a new culture. Nothing feels worse than realizing you got ripped off. Not you, because you'll be prepared. Do a 5-minute Google before you arrive. Get real prices from blogs and forums. If quoted 4x the baseline, say no and walk away, or negotiate with a smile. Ask, is that your best price? Offer a bit lower than you'll pay. Meet in the middle, friendly and respectful. Don't bargain for fixed price items. Bottled water, menu-listed meals, haggle in markets, souvenir shops, and unmetered local transport. Research plus respect saves money and earns local respect. It's a win-win. You don't need expensive tours, theme parks, or paid attractions to have fun. False. Some of the most memorable experiences are completely free. Hike to stunning viewpoints, waterfalls, and pristine beaches. All it costs is energy. Skip the $100 guided tour. Download offline maps. Bring snacks. Go solo or with hostile friends. Every city is a living museum. Ditch hop on hop off and just wander. Join free walking tours. Pay what you feel. Research museums. Many offer free days or evenings. Hunt for local festivals, park concerts, ceremonies. Amazing cultural experiences, almost always free. Your smartphone is your most powerful travel tool, if you use it right. First, offline maps are non-negotiable. Download entire cities or countries, navigate, find your hostel, locate ATMs with zero data. Second, use a budgeting app. Set a daily limit and track every expense. See where your money goes, and stay on track. Finally, download Google Translate offline. Save guides and blogs to read without Wi-Fi. Your phone becomes a money-saving, problem-solving machine. You'll explore freely, and avoid taxis just because buses looked confusing. We've covered saving money, but none of it matters if you're not safe. Being smart is being prepared. Sometimes things go wrong. Preparation turns disaster into inconvenience. First, get travel insurance. A few dollars a day covers medical, cancellations, stolen gear. Don't skip it. Second, back up your passport, visa, IDs, and cards. Email and cloud them. Keep a physical photocopy separate. Finally, share a general itinerary and docs with someone you trust. If something happens, they know where to start. These steps don't cost much, but they're priceless. Travel smart and safe. So, there you have it. 10 genius tips that will completely revolutionize the way you travel. We've covered planning, packing, eating, and staying safe. The exact blueprint I use to travel the world on a shoestring. You don't need to be a millionaire to have million-dollar experiences. Just be smarter, more flexible, more adventurous. One taxi, 3 days of food, one fancy hotel night, once a week of hostels and new friends. Pick one tip and apply it to your next trip. Then tell me in the comments your favorite and where you're headed. If this helped, hit subscribe. More adventures and money-saving hacks coming up. Now stop making excuses, start planning, and go see the world. You deserve it.